How to remove safe search on Google on Android. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I will guide you on how you can remove safe search on Google on your Android phone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to remove safe search on Google on Android, all you have to do is simply open the Google app like this. Once you open the Google app, you're going to just land on this page where you want to tap the profile icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Once you tap the profile icon from the top right, over here you'll find the gear icon that says settings, so you want to make sure to tap on settings. And then when you tap on settings, right over here you'll find a section where it says safe search, so just make sure to tap on it again. Now once you tap the safe search button, in order to remove safe search, by default if this is turned on, then you want to make sure to just turn this thing off. If you don't know what safe search is basically a filter that is going to hide you explicit contents whenever you search for something on Google. Now that you've turned it off, you're going to see all kind of content. So hope this video helped you as to how you can remove safe search in Google on Android. We hope the video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.